In the previous video, I have started the basic organic chemistry for class 10, that is the part 1, and I have already discussed the structural details of alkane. Now today, first I will discuss about the details of alkene. Now what is this? Alkene means nothing but this is the organic compound containing double bond between the carbon atoms. These are also one type of hydrocarbons. Now hydrocarbons means carbon and hydrogen containing compounds. Now alkenes also are hydrocarbons where carbon contains double bond. That means now if we consider about the general structure, that is the molecular formula of alkene, CnH2n. That means we can say to give the double bond we need minimum 2 carbon. So we cannot give n equals to 1 here. So always n is greater than 1. Now just see, when n is 2, the molecular formula will be C2H4. Now what will be the structure? Now first put the 2 carbon atom and put 1 double bond between them. Now we know that carbon has valency 4. Now 2 are occupied and 2 are left. So put 2 hydrogen. And again for this carbon 2 are occupied. Now how many are left? 2 are left. So just see, this is C2, 1, 2, 3, 4, that is H4. Now what is the name? 2 carbon means eth, and there is a 1 double bond, and due to double bond we will end it by ene. So this is ethene. So nothing but ethene. Now when N is 3, the molecular formula will be C3H6. Now what will be the structure? Now put the carbon atoms first. Now you can put the double bond in between any carbon. Just see, I am giving the carbon double bond between these 2 carbon. Now how many valencies are left? 2 valency, and for this carbon, this is a bond between this carbon and this carbon. So 1, 2, 3 are occupied, remaining another 1. And for this, 1 already occupied, 3 is left. So put the hydrogen here. So just see, C3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what will be the name? Now 1, 2, 3. Now 3 carbons are there, so that's why that is prop, and this is nothing but propene. Now actually the naming pattern, or how can we give the naming of all the alkenes, I will discuss in the naming system, that is IUPAC nomenclature system. But now the basic structure we can write in this form, and there is no necessity to give the numbering to the carbons, because I am considering the double bond is present between first and second carbon. So the position is taken as the 1. So in the next classes I will discuss about the naming pattern of all these structures. Now what about the structure of N4? Now N4 means that is C4H8. Now just again put 2, 3, 4 carbon. Now 1 double bond is here, another single bonds. Now for this carbon, how many valencies are left? 2. And for this one, 1. For this, 1, 2. Here, 1, 2, 3. Now, just put so 4 carbons made, that is but, and that is last we have to add in butene. Now in this way we can write the structure or the structural formula of the alkenes. Now again this pattern we can write in the normal condensed form, double bond CH3. But you are just learning writing the structure. So that's why first, if you are getting confused, break this pattern, write this correct form, and this, because this is the complete structural extended form, but it is somehow condensed. When we are writing the equations or the reactions, we will write in this pattern. But when we just learning the structures, how to write, so if you are confused, you can write in this form and then you can convert into this form. This is also, just see, this is CH2. Now there is a double bond CH. Again this is CH2 and CH2. Just see. Now I am going to the alkyne. Alkyne means that is nothing but the compounds contains triple bond. The hydrocarbons contains triple bonds. Now alkyne. Again here triple bond means there is a presence of 3 bonds between 2 carbon atoms. Now again the general formula for this CaH2n minus 2. Now to put the triple bond we need N definitely greater than 1. We can't put the triple bond between 1 carbon because we need 2 carbons. Now just see, when N is greater than 1, so minimum value of N will be 2. So then the molecular formula is 2 and 2 2s are 4 minus 2, that is C2H2. Now just see, I am putting the 2 carbons here and the triple bonds here, and the remaining valency of this carbon is 1 because 3s are occupied. Now put hydrogen here, and for this carbon also these are occupied, 1 is remaining, so put hydrogen. So this is nothing but C2H2. And what is the name? Again 2 carbon means it, that is ethyne. Why any? That's why this is ine. Now again, when C3, that is N is 3, N equals to 3, here N is 2. Now N equals to 3, that is 3, 3. Now 3 into 2, that is 6 minus 2, that is 4. Now put 3 carbons and you can put triple bond between any of these carbons. Suppose you are putting the triple bond here. Now another single bond between these 2 carbons. Now for this carbon, how many are occupied? 3, and remaining 1 is left. Now for this carbon, 1, 2, 3, 4. So all are occupied, you cannot give any hydrogen here. Now this carbon, 3s are left, so put the hydrogen here, and here also another hydrogen. So this is nothing but 1, 2, 3 prop, that is propyne. Now what will be the condensed form? CH3, C triple bond CH. You can write this in this form also. Suppose you are giving the triple bond between these 2 carbon. Then what will be the structure? Suppose you are writing in this pattern. This is also same thing, because you are putting the triple bond between these 2 carbon. Now this will be then CH3. Now when N is 4, that is C4H6. Now again put 4 carbons, triple bond, 1 is left, here another. Now there is all 4 bonds are occupied. Here put 1 hydrogen, this carbon 2 hydrogens are left, and here 3. CH3, CH2, C triple bond CH, or we can write CH triple bond C, CH2, CH3. What is the name? That is butane. So these are the writing pattern of alkane, alkene, alkynes. Now we have already learned how to write the alkanes also. In the next class, I will discuss the naming pattern of alkane, alkene, alkynes. How can we give the different structures name of the alkane, alkene and alkyne.